Welcome to Hylobiz platform. Let's take you through the platform and explore how to connect Zoho ERP with Hylobiz. On the Link Your Accounting platform, click on Connect Zoho Books. A window pops up with a quick overview of the process. Click on Connect. A window pops up requesting access for information. Accept to continue. To link your Zoho account with Hylobiz, select your organization and proceed. A webhook facilitates communication with third-party applications by sending instant web notifications every time an event occurs, while a workflow rule is a set of action which automates the process of sending email notifications and so on. Why we create a webhook and workflow? Well, once webhook and workflow rules are created, the sync of Zoho to Hylobiz is done in real time. Hence, whenever an invoice bill payments are recorded on Zoho, the same gets synced back to Hylobiz within seconds. Let's see how to create a webhook. Go to Zoho Books dashboard, note down the organization ID. On the settings, click on Automation. Go to Webhooks, New Webhook. Now enter Hylobiz e-invoice create webhook as the webhook name. And then select invoice from the module drop-down. In the URL to notify, enter as shown. In method, enter post. Under the parameter name, enter organization, and in parameter value, enter Zoho organization ID. Append all parameters and save. Now create a workflow rule. Go to Workflow Rules, click on New Workflow Rule. Enter Hylo e-invoice create workflow rule under name and select invoice under module drop-down and click on next. Select when to trigger, when an invoice is created, when it's created or edited, or when it's deleted. Select actions as shown. Click on Hylobiz e-invoice create webhook and save. Your webhook and workflow rules are successfully created. Once the steps are done, you can see that the Zoho book shows the transaction synced till date. The next step is to enable Hylobiz to fetch e-invoice details when they are updated in Zoho Books. Go to Home on Zoho dashboard, click on Sales, next Invoices, create a new invoice, select customer's name, invoice date and details. Enter the item details such as quantity, rate, etc. Now save as draft or save and send. Your e-invoice has been sent out. You can find that the invoice sent has been updated on receivable section on Hylobiz. Click on View Invoice and you can see your invoice being updated on the Hylobiz platform. You could also send payment reminders, track account balance in real time, reconcile transactions effortlessly, and a lot more. To avail all this, join Hylobiz today.